In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download and play Minecraft for free. So this is a very simple thing to do, so let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing that we want to do once we are on a browser is go to the search bar at the top, and then we want to search for minecraft.net/free trial. Once we do this, you will then be brought to this page where you can then scroll down. As you will now notice, you can choose from Windows, Apple, and also Linux. Choose your device that you are currently using, click on the download now option, and then as you can see, it will then download in the top right hand corner. Click on this to open it up, and then you will get something like this on Mac or the equivalent on Windows or Linux. You simply want to then drag and drop this into your applications, and then what you can then do is you can simply open up Minecraft. And then as you can see, you will then be brought over to the Minecraft launcher. Now what you want to do is simply click on play demo. Once you do this, it will then download and install all the latest updates. And then you will then get something like this. You can make this full screen. You can select play demo world. And then once you select play demo world, it will then load you into a game. And you can continue playing as you would normally on any other device. So what you'll get is you'll get a 1 hour free trial. You can then download and install it again for an extra 1 hour. If not, what you can do is you can fully purchase the game to continue from where you left off. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.